The JAC T9 is loaded with safety features. One of these systems is the driver monitoring system. This works through having an infrared camera, which you can see here on the dash. The infrared camera will track your face, including your eyes, and check for any signs of things such as fatigue or distraction where you're looking away from the road. The system will then give you an alert, which is both audible and will display one on the dashboard as well. Sometimes you might want to turn that function off. The great news is JAC have made that really easy. All you need to do is swipe down on the screen and hit the top right-hand button for the driver monitoring system and confirm you'd like to turn it off. The system will no longer be tracking and will be turned off until you turn the vehicle back on again due to the ANCAP requirements. Sometimes there might be some other safety systems you might want to turn off. Super easy, head to vehicle settings and you can then access all of these under the assistance menu. You can change these on and off depending on what you want to do, such as the overspeed warning or the traffic sign recognition as well. Under driving, you can also find the driver monitoring system turn off and on there as well. And the final handy tip is that if you're ever unsure what the safety feature does, all you need to do is hit the little info button and it will come up with an explanation letting you know what that does.